Looking for a spacious 4-bedroom condo that is below 2 million in today's hot market? I have the answer for you. Welcome to CityLife at Tampines. Hi, I'm Lorrain from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today I'm excited to show you this luxury hotel-inspired condo. CityLife has 514 units comprising of 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms units set in the heart of Tampines Regional Centre, second largest commercial hub outside of CBD. Downtown Line MRT is within a 7-minute walk. Tampines has lots of shopping options at Tampines Mall, Century Square, Tampines One, and also the IKEA, Giant and Courts Super Mall. Not forgetting Singapore's largest integrated community and lifestyle hub, our Tampines Hub, integrating library, polyclinic, and sports facilities, ensuring that life at Tampines is always happening and enriching for the young and old. CityLife is designed with luxury in mind. 100-meter infinity pool, resort-style landscaping, and full condo facilities will make coming home a relaxing sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of everyday living. Home is a nurturing place for the young ones. Po Chin School, Tampines North, and Gongshan Primary are within 1 km radius. Meridian Secondary, Diamond Secondary, UWC, and even tertiary institutions like Temasek Poly and SUTD are all within the vibrant Tampines Township. Welcome home to this 1432 square feet pool-facing unit with spacious living and dining for you to dine with your loved ones. Express your MasterChef culinary skills in this functional-sized kitchen, yet space and utility space are important for your family laundry and storage needs. CityLife bedrooms are created to house queen-size beds comfortably. The best part of this house is the master bedroom with a good-sized wardrobe and your private balcony, where you can recharge with a book or enjoy a moment of solitude in your private sanctuary. The best feature is that you can own this home for less than 1,003 PSF. Definitely value for money in today's hot market. Call me before it is gone. Your dream life begins here at CityLife.